Hi everybody, Gene Sower from Samson Media here. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post to your Instagram account from your computer desktop. Because Instagram is primarily a smartphone application, it's a little bit clunky and difficult to post to your Instagram account from your desktop computer. As you can see from my Instagram account here, here's photos I've posted from the camera. And then obviously these two pictures of Aretha Franklin were uploaded as graphics. So if you're looking to upload graphics from your desktop, you have promotional items that you want to upload, images that were not taken by your phone's camera, this is the way you do it. Okay, so what we are using, the equipment we are using here, we are using the equipment and the software. We are using the Chrome browser, and we are using Windows 10. Okay, so I do not know how this works in the Mac world. I'm sure there is some version of this, and I'm sure this works with other browsers as well. But you'll have to find out where those items are if you're using Firefox or other browsers. So. But this is in the latest version of the Chrome browser on Windows. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you want to be already logged in to your Instagram account. Then you go up to the upper right corner here. You see these three little dots. It says Customize and Control Google Chrome. You click that. You go to More Tools, and you see you get this little an additional drop down, and then you go to Developers Tools. So you can probably get there by going to Control-Shift-I. You can try that in another browser. Again, I don't know how that works in the Mac world. You go to Developers Tools, and now you get this version of the browser. So here, just to orient you, you can see what's going on. You see this little icon here. This toggles the device. So that's probably a tablet. These are the phones. And you can see over here, I've selected the Pixel 2. You can see the Galaxy, the iPhones. If you want to see an iPhone, the iPhone 5 SE, etc. So I'm going with the Pixel phone. If you don't see your phone here, just pick something close, okay? It's okay. Now, in this version, you see this. This is the key right here. But if you don't see this, and you probably will not see this, this is the key to the whole thing. If you do not see this area here, hit Control F5 on your keyboard. It will refresh, and then you will see it, okay? So that's the key to the whole thing. When you get this, because you need to be able to now click this button to upload a graphic. Without this plus sign, you're dead in the water. So if you do not see that, and you probably won't, hit Control F5 on your keyboard, and it'll refresh itself. The reason mine already showed up was because I've been practicing and it probably remembered it. But when you first do this, you will not see this. So I can't emphasize that enough. This is the key to the whole thing. So now that you've got this, you can click on the plus sign. It's going to go to your C drive, wherever your images are. I already had this one set up. I'm going to click this. It's an image about content marketing, which is something that my business does. I'm going to click open, and then you see it here. Then you would click next, and you would write a caption. I'll put for all your content marketing needs. And then I'm going to use a couple of hashtags. Content marketing, internet marketing, okay. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on what hashtags are or how to use them. If you're on Instagram, you probably already have a good idea. So I'm just going to use a couple here just to show you how to write the caption. Okay, so then you click the share button. It's going to upload the graphic. Here's my feed. This is other people's material. And there's my picture, but I'm going to click the person icon in the lower right here just to check my own account, and there is my recent post from my desktop into my Instagram, and if I look at it on my phone, it will look exactly like this. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and you want to check out our blog for additional tips and tricks. Thank you so much for joining us.